What's up YouTube? In today's video I'll be doing another unboxing, and I'm not unboxing any normal thing. It's the one and only Foldscope. So for the people who don't know what the Foldscope is, it's a microscope made out of paper. I'm not lying. So let's look at the box first, then let's unbox it. So I have the Foldscope instruments with the logo. Here it's written magnifying curiosity worldwide. In the side nothing, here nothing, here nothing. Here it's written the Dulux individual kit. That's what I've ordered. If you want to order this or any of the Foldscope instruments, go to the description down below. I've given a few links. You can go there, Amazon or the original website. So why are we wasting time? Let's do the unboxing. Yay! So let us start unboxing. Ah, okay, I open this. So you guys are getting the first view. So here there is some foam to keep it safe, obviously, because yeah, there's no reason why not. Okay, I'm trying to pull this. Whoa! So nothing else. Keeping it here. So there's this thing called read this first. I'm going to read this, then I'm going to show you what we get here. So congratulations, your Foldscope kit is enclosed. Please note the following before you begin your journey into the microcosmos. Read all the assembly and use instructions and the warnings and disclaimers before you begin to assemble or use the product. See the other side of the sheet. Not for use of children under 8 years old. Do not look into the sun or a bright light with this product. For example, do not look at the included LED magnified light source. So yeah, the others are about choking hazards and using appropriate like safety measures. So now I'm keeping this aside. I want to take the. It's little heavy, so this is just the foam. Keeping it here. Yeah. So this is the first look. We have the Foldscope instruments here, and behind here we have the a world of discovery is in your reach, and nothing here. It's just the slug. So there are these animals and things, the red blood cells, some flowers, the white blood cells here. So let me untape this part, and when I open it, whoa! So first I have another card. Dear explorer of the microcosmos, what will you discover? Yeah. So the most important thing is this QR code. It can take you to another website, like it is a special website in which you can do the main things. And we have the signatures, the autographs of Manu Prakash and Jim. So if you don't know who Manu Prakash is, he's the person who founded this. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this also aside. So we have another paper over here, and if I take that, it's a pretty big manual. I'm gonna keep this aside. I'll be doing another video maybe after some hours of unboxing of of me doing the assembling like the assembly of the microscope. So let us see what we have on the top from left to right. So we have this these are slides, I guess. So these are slides. Let me open them. Oh, they have tape on them. Yeah, so these are slides for uh, keeping the samples and doing. We have the tape, I don't know what this is. There's some mesh or something over here. There's some mesh. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna keep the tape back. And here I have these capsules, or the you can see you can keep your samples in this. When you go out, you can keep the samples in this. After coming home or after wherever you are, you can test it with these sample tubes. Okay, so I'm going to keep these also back. And now we have the LED module. Okay, so this gives light to uh, your microscope if the things are very dark or so. Yeah, so now the light is coming. This is off. This is not very bright light. This is some dim light, and this is off. So that's pretty good. I'm going to keep it back here. And here I have the tweezers to collect samples and put it in the tube. Yeah, I keep it here. And what do I have here? I have two pipettes to take whatever I want and put it. Yeah, so pipettes, it's, you can say it's a tool like a syringe but safer. And here I don't know what these are. Maybe you can keep your samples here. I think that's what that's what this is. The small boxes in which you can keep your samples. I'm gonna keep this aside. So now I have the magnets. This is like a magnet. It's also called as a phone coupler. So you can attach this to your phone, then you can view using the microscope. And yeah, this is the small non-harmful scissor for anything, like anything you want to cut for. And so this is nothing here, it's just like a magnet to keep this safe. I'll keep the scissors back. Yeah, so this is the top. I want to keep it here. Now here we have the Foldscope itself. So you should not, it's not a ready Foldscope. It's actually, you need to make the Foldscope on your own. How cool is that? So it's just like origami. Yeah, it's just like origami. You fold this thing and you get the Foldscope. So this I'm going to make a separate video on how to assemble this. Please look at the next video also. And what do we have here? I think these are stickers. The stickers and Microcosmos unique ID sticker, clear circle stickers for sample mounting, double sticking stick ring stickers for cell phone mounting. Okay, those are the things here. We have some Ziploc covers here for the samples you need to put. And this, what is this? Yeah, these are nylon filter sheets. So if you want to filter any liquid, you can use this. We have our own book with what is a micron, and you can write your observations here, I guess. And here is a pencil with an eraser, and it has some elastic to put it like this. Cool. I'll keep it here. And at last we have this bad boy here. These are accessory stickers and slides. So yeah, you might be asking me, here we have already seen the slides. These slides are made of glass. These slides are made of some sort of plastic transparent thing, you can say. So you don't need to always use the special glass slides. You can use this. So there's a PVC reusable slide A, then a B, then a C. Okay, and circle dot stickers. So you use the circle dot stickers to like mark which one is yours, or which is the one which you have already used, or like that. For that purpose you can use these stickers. So, and here we have nothing. Now, yeah, this is the unboxing of the Foldscope. Here we have the module. Here we have the books. Here we have the two papers they gave us. Yeah, so this was the unboxing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Look at the next video where I assemble it. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tada! I'm out. Peace.